Every year, your business faces the threat of fraud from criminals and other bad actors that are increasingly complex and aggressive. And as more of your employees telecommute and require remote access to your business-critical systems, protecting your organization from internal and external risks is more challenging than ever. Bottomline's Record and Replay solution helps you fight internal and external fraud, guard against data breaches, and protect your business from today's sophisticated threats. With our solution, you can record the activity of internal and remote users in the applications they use every day. Unlike traditional monitoring solutions that rely on audit logs to monitor activity within systems, Record and Replay takes it a step further and captures key details that wouldn't typically trigger alerts. Any data that is monitored within an application can be recorded, and this data can be leveraged by our powerful downstream analytics. So if you are notified that a customer's sensitive information has been compromised, rather than spending hours painstakingly reviewing logs, a single search allows you to see all users who have accessed the customer's data across different systems and applications. With just a few clicks, you can visually replay a user session and see exactly which customer's information was viewed by each individual. Even if the user did not interact directly with the data and cause an event to be written to the log, Record and Replay can extract it for analytical processing. It offers a full picture of user activity in context. When it comes to protecting your organization from fraud, every minute counts. With real-time alerts, you're notified of suspicious activity so you can act before damage is done. Fight financial crime with the ability to monitor real-time user activity and use visual replay to facilitate thorough and effective fraud investigations. In addition to monitoring for internal fraud, many organizations have harnessed Record and Replay as an untapped data source for uncovering loads of actionable insight. These insights have been used by our customers in innovative ways, such as enabling help desk agents to assist customers with troubleshooting and ensuring exceptional user experiences. Bottomline's Record and Replay is effective as a standalone solution or in conjunction with our insider and employee fraud, secure payments, or enterprise case management for a robust fraud and financial crime defense. Better protection, faster investigations. Bottomline's Record and Replay solution gives you the next level visibility and control needed to protect your business from fraud. To learn more, please contact us today.